Three carpentry tools that I use every day, part one.
This is a block plane. Small handheld plane, perfect for cleaning up those edges after you've put them through the table saw or taking any chatter off from the jointer. Also perfect for removing the arris, that sharp edge, after you've just freshly cut your board. And great for cleaning up that end grain, getting it glassy smooth. You don't have to spend a ton of money on a block plane, just pick one up second hand for £10 or £20, keep it sharp, and it'll work for years.